Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of HW Blue. Today we'll be doing something interesting. We are trying to harness or we are trying to use AI to make something new. So we'll be starting with very basic thing, which is a table lamp. We have already tried to do certain iterations using AI, and the AI which we are using is Leonardo AI. Most of you must be already aware of it. So we'll get the idea out of the using this image creation tool, and then we'll try to build a 3D model for it. Today, we will be doing it on Sketchup, and if it doesn't work, maybe we'll try some other software. Let's see if we can actually use AI for our purpose or not. Lots of people are using it, but most of them are using it for content creation. This is also content, but we are trying to use it for a product development. So let's see how it goes. So let's go to image creation. So as you can see, we have tried certain iterations, although we liked these already, but let's see if we can find some more ideas. So unique table lamp.
Spelling wrong.
You said something?
Spelling is wrong, sir. Table lamp.
Oh, sorry. Sometimes my brain and hands doesn't work together. Well, it did understand what I was about to say, although didn't write correctly. So we have got like already we had certain iterations. So we have got few more options. So Vijay, what do you think? Which one would you like to do? So we have all these.
Okay, let me decide it.
I'll open all of them one by one. So this is one. This is another one.
Okay,
This is another one. This is very
okay,
typical. This is not unique.
okay.
Um,
I think previous one we can make it. I think
which one? This one.
that third one.
This one.
Third one.
This one you want to do?
Yeah, sure. We can do that.
Okay. So I will download it and I'll send it to you, and then we'll continue from your side.
Okay.
Okay. So we are back. So now Vijay will try to build the image we have created using AI, and we'll try it on SketchUp. Let's see how it goes. I mean, we are not very sure whether we'll succeed, but let's try it.
Okay, guys, let us start.
Hmm.
We are going to make this 3D model.
Hmm.
Let me start with the base first.
Right.
So first go to line tool and make a line of 500 mm.
500
And,
mm. I think that will be too much for a lamp. Let's make the base. What was the you consider? You're considering height 500 mm.
yeah, height.
500 mm is like
Let
half
us
a
keep it
meter.
as 300 mm.
No, it's okay. It's
Let us
okay.
keep
I think it's okay. You can do it. 500 mm is fine. I thought you were talking about the diameter of the base, but continue. Please continue. Sorry
not
for the
diameter.
interruption.
Okay,
Okay.
no problem.
I think you should delete that person. I don't like it. I'm sorry.
Okay. Actually, it is for reference purpose.
I understand that's, but you're right. Right. That's too.
Okay. Let us first create the middle part.
Mm,
Create a horizontal line of 50 mm.
mm.
Select this point. Create a horizontal line of 100 mm.
100 mm. Right.
And again 100 mm.
Is there an option to change the dimensions later in it?
No, that is not possible.
But we can always extend it slightly.
We can delete it and make it again.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
see.
Now select this point and make a vertical line of 100 mm.
Mm.
Now go to arc tool, select this point and make the arc like this. Okay. Go to erase tool and erase this unwanted lines.
Mm.
It is not perfect, I think.
It's okay. Let's
What do you think,
let's
sir?
try. Let's try. I mean, it's kind of similar, but let's try. Let's see how it goes.
We can make it further more accurate, I think. Oh, sorry. I'm wrong.
Please try to also explain what you're doing.
Okay, the profile is created.
Mm.
Now let us make a path for this. Go to circle tool. Change the plane. So it is not changing the plane. This is the path for the profile. Now go to follow me tool. Select the profile and follow the path. Okay. Now we can close this profile. Okay. We can extrude it further. Give value 50 mm.
So here, like
Okay.
the diameter is too much as compared to the image which we have for the base. Is there any way to reduce the diameter?
Yeah,
Or
it
we
is possible, but we need to delete the profiles.
okay.
Okay. Now let us create a circle. Oh no, I'm stuck.
It's okay.
Sorry, we
It's not
cannot
that.
reduce it now.
It's okay. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. We don't. I mean, if there is no option
Okay.
in
Now go
software,
to
then
circle tool and I'm trying to snap the center. Give value of 20 mm. Go to push pull tool and give a value of 150 mm. Now let us create the upper part. Go to line tool. Before that, we can go to scenes and go to standard views and we can choose the front view. Now I'm trying to create the upper part. For this, we need to create a profile. Give value of 135 mm. And here also, let us give value of 250 mm. Now, use the 2 point arc tool. Select
Mhm.
this point and make arc of 45 mm. Now go to circle tool and make a circle here like this. Go to follow tool and oh no, sorry. Let me choose the path first. Go to follow tool and choose the profile. It's not working, I think. Okay, it's done. Now we can erase the circle.
Mhm.
Now, is it necessary to create the bulb? What do you think, sir?
It's okay. I think we are just making it. I know that it's not a
Let us
mechanical
make it.
software, so we
Okay.
can do it just representational.
Uh, we can give now some texture to the lamp.
But
Go to
why it is on the?
materials.
You will be
Yeah,
dragging
continue.
it. You will be dragging it on top of that stand.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. First,
Okay.
I will give the texture, then I will drag it.
Okay.
Go to materials. Go to browse. It's not loading. Load system. Okay. Go to glass and mirrors,
Mm,
and let us choose the structure. Now it is transparent.
mm,
Let us make it as a group. Now go to move tool.
mm,
Select this point and place it here like this. You need to adjust it now. Okay. I think we can create the bulb also. Shall
You
we
want?
try?
Okay, let's try. Let's give it a shot.
Okay. First need to recreate the profile. I'm not giving the proper dimensions.
Yeah, yeah. We need not to give any proper dimension, but yeah, it has to
I'm
be
trying to
in
create the
some
bulb
scale.
for the table lamp.
Uh,
Now let us make a profile. Sorry, path.
mm,
Now use this path. Go to polymer tool and select the profile. It is done. Now go to erase tool and erase the circle. Now let us make it as a group. For the bulb, I will give some colors to it. Let us give yellow color. Okay. I think for the base we can change the color.
mm.
Let us give some dark texture. This color. Now let us place it on the lamp. First we need to separate this part.
Okay. So it doesn't interfere.
Select any point.
It's not at the perfect
You need to
center.
yeah, it has a problem. The software has got some problems, limitations.
So you have to manually adjust it so that it is actually at the center.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Okay. For the base also we can give some textures.
Mm.
Go to materials. Let's give some metal, metallic color. No, not necessarily. Let us give some colors. You can try blue shade, and for this, let us give some different texture. Okay, I'm done with this. If you have any query, please ask me.
Yeah, I mean, So honestly, it's not 100% copy, but we are very much near there. Like 50% we are there, and I do understand that it's not a mechanical software, so we can't fine tune it. But for the as far as SketchUp is concerned, I think this is something what we need in general. Of course, this is
Actually,
not the
SketchUp for web is a very basic software. It has got some limitations.
yeah. I mean, it's not for mechanical engineering or it's not for the product design. I can say so, but yeah, it's kind of we are there, but yeah, I hope that this will help some people to understand what we're trying to do. So it's not like I said in the beginning, it's not a typical tutorial. It's a kind of you can say collaborative design uh, thing which we are trying to do. We are trying to utilize AI, and it's in real time. We didn't prepared for it earlier, so yeah, that is something we have tried. Maybe it's a flop. Maybe it's you people like it. But and if you like it, please leave a comment whether you would like us to do more such videos. Today we tried it on SketchUp, but maybe we tried on some other mechanical software as well, like Fusion is there, SolidWorks is there, FreeCAD is there, and there are a number of softwares so that we can try. So let's see if this will work or not. But please leave your feedbacks and leave a comment or and leave a like if you just for our encouragement if you have got anything to learn out of this video. So that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you,
Vijay,
guys.
yeah. So you have anything to say?
Okay, guys, we are trying our best, but we'll try to improve further in our videos. Please do like our videos and subscribe my channel.
Hmm.
Sorry, our channel. Thank you.